starts now.
Good evening. The people behind a home for recovering alcoholics and drug addicts have filed a civil lawsuit against the city of Springfield.
They accuse the city of discriminating against people with disabilities. Francis Watson is live in our newsroom to explain. Francis?
Yeah, Paul Maria, this 22-page document was filed in federal court yesterday. The complaint filed on behalf of New Beginning Sanctuary states that the city is discriminating against individuals classified as having disabilities. In this case, those people are classified as recovering alcoholics and drug addicts.
These homes have been in existence for decades.
Attorney Sarah Jane Hunt represents recovery group home New Beginning Sanctuary.
I think that we are all very well aware of the national epidemic, essentially, with people who are addicted to certain substances, and the recovery rate is abysmal.
She says the group home environment fosters a positive rehabilitation process.
These types of homes are what enable people to take what they've learned from their inpatient treatment or other treatments and live in a family-like environment and put those lessons to the test.
But now, a roadblock for the recovery center. The group filed a federal lawsuit this week citing discrimination against a protected class of people under the Fair Housing Act.
We had several conversations with the city attempting to seek a reasonable accommodation, and it was because those conversations were not fruitful and ultimately led to a denial of the accommodation that we filed the lawsuit.
The city denied the organization's request to operate a group home under its zoning laws. The argument states that this determination, quote, substantially limits the operation of supported housing for persons with a disability of substance use disorder, unquote. The group is suing for monetary damages and a right to continue to provide housing to its clients.
The goal is to be able to live for the individuals who are living in this home, not to be discriminated against based on their disability, and for them to be able to live in the community of their choice.
And we asked for the city's response to this lawsuit, but a representative tells us that officials do not comment on pending litigation. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Francis Watson.